The Honorable CM happened to mention that have it conducted next week on Thursday. So we did immediately pass orders, and everyone from, we have people from the Southwestern Railway as well as we have people from PWD. Please. So they are the two main people that we require.
So 1 second.
Yeah.
I very definitely remember what the Honorable Chief Minister said. He said that we will have the resurvey on this day.
Correct.
Thursday,
Yes,
correct? But there has to be coordination with us regarding the time and regarding the venue where we are going to meet. Nobody called us. Yesterday I called, Cliff called, nobody was picking up the phone. Then
No, ma'am.
Cliff
In my
also called,
particular
5
case-
seconds. Cliff called you.
Yeah.
Cliff called you, you might have been busy.
Ma'am,
Okay?
even if you call me,
You should have returned
even
the
if you
call.
call me right now, sometimes this thing works, sometimes it doesn't. Call me just now. As soon as I click the accept button, you will find that it will get done. I'm just telling you a fact.
These are government facts.
1 second, let's be calm, The fact is that there was no coordination of the time. We were not told the time. We were not told it's at 10 o'clock. So how are we supposed to reach? I have come from Matsa at the speed that I've never traveled, with risk to my life. Why? Because you have failed to coordinate with us. Now, we are supposed to inform the landowners. It's not about us. It is about the landowners. Look at that house there. Look at those houses. How close they are, sir.
Come and see the cracks also.
Yes.
Now this is not a new technique, it's a tradition of the government for decades to inform the people who are affected at the last moment.
No, it wasn't last moment, sir. There has been a slight.
That's
I'll accept the responsibility for it. I should have picked up the phone and told him very categorically, yes, of course, you know it's Thursday, but it should be 10 o'clock. That is my mistake. And yesterday when his call came, it's like I told you, sir. The minute sometimes you click on it, it gets done.
several days ago.
No, yesterday itself.
1 second. If you
I'll show
have
you the red and I'll immediately show you the black,
Southwestern
which shows that I
Railway
immediately
Authority
called
have
up.
coordinated with us.
I have informed the PWD.
Ma'am, they're not the people. I'm the person who's supposed to coordinate because there are multiple.
Then
The fault is on my
Commander,
side.
I'm
It's my fault.
sorry.
It's my fault.
Your responsibility. You have failed to inform us.
Yes, ma'am.
And we, in turn, cannot call the people, the affected people, the people whose land is going to go. Okay? So I think we have to postpone this.
Are you fixing it?
And can you fix it now?
You please fix it now, the date.
And time?
Tuesday. Same time, 10 o'clock Tuesday.
Tuesday, 10 o'clock, same time. Because the landowners have to.
Everyone heard?
There is also a request, please get the plans, madam, because they are not come with any plans, so we don't know who is affected.
Ma'am, Tuesday the 7th.
Yes.
Tuesday the 7th at 10 o'clock.
All the documents. Just get the, all the documents and the plan.
We want to know
Let me clarify. Let me clarify. As far as the Honorable Chief Minister is concerned, he's given us specific instructions to go around videos of the places along the tracks that are affected. So, say for example, we've already got 2 tracks here. Say for example that there's nothing further to be done over here, so there'll be no photograph of this place because nothing is planned. Okay. At the place where there is also no single track. At the place where there is a single track, in case it requires in case that particular, it could be a 50 meter, it could be 100 meter section with a 50 meter in between and another 75 meters up ahead, which may involve broadening. So those are the places where we are supposed to be taking the videograph. Those are the instructions.
1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not just about video. Resurvey.
Resurvey,
What
yes,
is the
ma'am.
meaning of the word resurvey?
Ma'am,
Is it-
what has happened
does it
is
mean
over there
taking
what we
videos?
had was a
Can you
meeting.
please
We
tell
have
me,
not gone
does
as
resurvey mean taking videos? No.
That day the discussion was, we told some houses are.
That is why I remember very distinctly, Honorable Chief Minister said DSLR has to be present.
Yes.
Yes.
Then on 7th at 10 o'clock in the morning, ma'am, we'll see to it that DSLR is also there.
There is one more request, Commander. You said you're going to check either 50 meters, 20 meters, or 100.
We don't-
One second. But you have put this notice already.
Okay.
Will this notice be on hold?
Yes.
Because you are
we-
extending your
Yes.
date
That's
tomorrow,
it.
30 days.
Please understand some basics as far as the
See that you
government.
immediately suspend the notices right away, the notice,
Yes.
and then you do your required
We
inspections.
have already spoken to the Honorable Chief Minister on this issue. The Honorable Chief Minister told me just through a letter inform the Deputy Collector, and I've done that. To keep on hold any acquisition process until we are able to impress upon the government that we cannot have doubling of railway tracks here. Look at the proximity of the houses. Are we going to live as prisoners on our own land?
This is called government.
No, if you go a little bit further away, is okay. Let me also speak about my own house. My house is there. Before my adjoining my house is this gentleman's house, which is almost on the tracks.
I can show you.
Almost on the tracks. Now you're going to, and doubling will happen there. I know that. Now if doubling is going to happen, I think half of his house is going, his house, please come in, anyway, we'll see his house. You'll see my house. Our house, my house is, there is the railway track and then there is a fall, okay? So that will have to be filled up. So this wall, the China wall, will come even closer to our house, on our faces. How are we supposed to do this? So this is what has to be taken note of. We'll do that on Tuesday so that the Honorable Chief Minister knows exactly what's happening. And one more thing I want to say, which I don't know how far it is true, but I'm given to understand, and I read it also on one of the messages, that the cabinet has already passed it.
Yeah.
That is still majority.
Yeah.
That is still
So, but tell me one thing, does it serve the purpose having it till Majorda?
But I don't think even they have given NOC. They have just
And
gone
have
there.
they given the NOC?
Because I'm part of it there.
Just for information,
Just
madam,
leave
this is the, one second. This is in 2008, you have put a notice for acquisition, okay? Here you have mentioned the names. Huh? So how the hell today you have not put names there, and how the hell people will know who is been
He's also one of the
affected or not?
Yeah,
And then you
he is
tell
also
us
one of the
go to acquire till Majorda.
I'm speaking with your honorable MLA.
Yeah. So,
He's
By the
also,
interdictions, if you have any points, do bring it to the notice of the honorable MLA. What's the point of shouting in my ears?
yeah, Commander, people are just.
Yes, ma'am.
Our life is miserable. Okay, we are living like prisoners on our own land. We are awakened at any time of the night with the horning of the train that is going by again and again. The noise pollution, look at the state of our houses. All that we cannot allow. We gave land the first time around. And South Western Railway Authority till date has not put anything, any infrastructure in place for our benefit. We are supposed to, yes, I know that it is illegal to cross the tracks, but if we don't cross the tracks, we have to walk around for 30 minutes and more. Even our senior citizens have to do that, even to go to church. Now can you tell a senior citizen don't go to church?
For that, we have to
Now you have to do this.
Because they want everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Because they want everything.
So we'll meet on
Tuesday the 7th at morning 10 o'clock. Same place, ma'am.
ma'am, I want to put one more thing. We want to know from where they are going to start.
Yeah.
Because we cannot keep people waiting.
One second.
Start from here.
Let's start from here. 1 second. May I just ask these people,
You confirm, then accordingly we will arrange.
We said we'll be here.
can we start at the beginning, either this side or
No. No, there is also in Arusi. Arusi is effective. Yes.
Kasauli, Arosi.
They are not The notification you can put it on hold.
Ma'am, we are looking only at the places where acquisition is required. It's like the example which I gave you. For example, over here, there is no requirement of
Just tell
taking
them,
any
no,
land.
ask them to ask
So
them
we are
to
not
bring the
looking at
plans.
that.
Ask them to
So
bring the
we are going
plans.
in a very logical, people-friendly fashion. We are not here for troubling anyone. And please understand,
I agree with you, Promoter. I agree with you.
so I think we'll start from here itself and we'll go towards filing.
Ma'am, we should start from that area.
Which area?
Ma'am, what has happened is, there's no point, for example, there's no point of starting from here, if this complete portion, there is no acquisition whatsoever. Getting my point? So, let us start from here, which is in the center and the place where maximum number of people are affected.
One second. What we do is, try and make a study of business right now in the sense where there will be the need, where you all will put the second. Okay? See what happens now. Commander,
What I think
you're
you're trying to say is where the land will be taken so as to put the doubling of the tracks. Right, ma'am?
okay?
Are we in a position to do that?
We are not giving you the plans, we are hiding the plans.
What's the plan?
Right from my house, that's right.
And the chapel, RSM.
Shall we start near your house?
From RSM.
RSM chapel, I think.
Chapel. Chapel is going. Chapel is
What is already
Hey, my dear friend.
You see that there is a hairline from the we can know about the development.
Absolutely. I'm an engineer, sir. That's why I've been put on the job.
We should talk to people.
Sure, sir.
No double tracking in ROC. They will stop up to that level crossing. You want to include our full chapel is going. What the workshop is going. 500 years old. The structure is going.
But why they are fragmenting and going?
What I thought was the same thing is happening because I have my
So once they start, they will use the power to proceed further.
You go for the decide.
We should discuss.
Madam, I have ladies with me and I cannot have a scenario wherein people shout like this, etc. etc. So please understand. Yeah. Don't worry. We will
What
take care.
happens, Commander? One second, will you please listen? There should be no shouting. But shouting is an indicator how desperate the people are. Okay? They are emotional. It's their house. It's their life. It's not your life, sir, because you are not going to be affected.
none of the railway people.
Forget the none of the railway.
We'll
But
construct a
another
plan
issue which is perplexing me. What I read. Please keep quiet. Another thing that upsets me, and I'm a little surprised,
Okay, you are giving.
that
Are you
when
speaking
the
directly for
Honorable
ROC people?
Chief Minister has asked for this
Are you standing for ROC
resurvey,
people?
given the directions to have this resurvey, how is that the cabinet passes the doubling of the tracks on the pretext that what is that? Majorda has given land.
no, they have
So what is this? Is this only a farce? Is this only a farce?
They are the owners, they have given the consent.
They have
No,
given-
they have not.
I don't know.
Ma'am, I'll add a legal matter. These are tenanted Komunitas land. There is a law called Goa Land Use Regulation Act, which says tenanted land cannot be used for any other purpose without acquisition. They cannot give consent. By law, it is illegal.
And we'll fight this.
Not for government, it is written in the law. For government purpose, you have to acquire, you cannot give consent. So it is illegal. So you have to acquire, you cannot take consent. Okay, this is the law.
Okay, notice.
One more question I would like to say, one more question I would like to ask. Yesterday, the cabinet passed the resolution or whatever that this project is going to go ahead. I would like to ask all those who passed the project, Are they losing their land? Forget the land. Are their houses going to be affected? Are they going to live in the conditions that we are going to have to live? It's very easy when I'm not affected to pass everything. But this is not about personal do's and don'ts. This is about the stand of the government. So the government has to take care of its people. Look at the number of people that are going to be affected. Look at the number of houses that are going to be affected. Is this development? And for what purpose? For whose benefit?
That is the most important. For whom are you doing this?
Because at our cost, who's going to benefit? And one more point which is very, very vital. The coal is supposed to be taken to Karnataka, right?
Ma'am, as far as coal is concerned, NPT itself is right down to, I don't know, some 16 million tons of the total rated
It's
capacity
going
of
to
45
increase.
million.
I don't know how many times.
We have been listening.
We have
One
second.
We will listen to him, please.
Yeah, 1 second. The coal is going to increase, I don't know how many times. The capacity of coal that will be taken up and down. Now what I'm saying, coal is going to go to Karnataka. Karnataka also has ports. Take it directly to Karnataka. Why are you destroying Goa?
Tuesday the 7th at morning 10 o'clock, ma'am, same place.
One more thing.
Notice, no?
They have to issue notice. They have to.
We've asked Valencia, we've already written. Okay, thank you. Commander.